Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll see the connectors. What is the difference between so that, so space that, and such space that, and so. We'll see in this class. Okay, we'll start. See, so that, when to use so that. See, if we are using so space that in the sense, so space that means here it should be filled with adjective or adverb. Which adjective or adverb which gives additional information which is behind this so. And as a result, what happened will be written here. In simple language, you'll see the structure. So, after that adjective or adverb is written. After that, that. So, that. Between so, that, we will write adjective or adverb depending upon the situation. After that, we write a result. We'll see. He was so tired that he could not keep his eyes open. So that. Between so and that we have used tired. Who is tired? He is tired or he was tired. So this is an adjective. This is a pronoun. See, he was so tired. See, we are using this so space that to indicate the degree or extent of this one. Means how he was tired? So tired. That as a result, what happened? He could not keep his eyes open. As a result, he could not open his eyes. He could not open his eyes. This is a result. Try to understand. Okay. Next one. He ran so fast that he broke the record. How he ran? So fast. Ran fast. How fast? So fast. Means this so and that is used to convey or to show the extension of this one. See, he ran fast. How fast he ran? So fast. So fast is an adverb. It is describing ran. Ran is a verb. How much fast? So fast. So this is an adverb again. Right? We know, right? An adverb describes either a verb or adjective or another adverb. Clear, right? So he ran so fast that he broke the record. As a result, he broke the record. Right? Next one. The soup was so hot. How much hot? So hot. See, so that we used to convey this, the degree of this one. How much hot it is? So hot. So here hot is a adjective. Why it is adjective? It is describing the soup. Soup is a noun. So to describe a noun, what we required? Adjective is a word which describes either noun or pronoun. Adjective is a word which describes either noun or pronoun. So soup is a noun, hot is an adjective. See, this heart is giving the additional information about this soup. How the soup is so hot. So that what happened? I could not drink it. As a result, we didn't drink it. Alright. Next one. So that together means without space. So this is also used as a result. Used for the result. See, here some action is done so that result of this action or the purpose of this action. result of this action or the purpose of this action. We'll see. Structure, action, this is the action, so that, and purpose or written, result is written in this part. This is the first part of the sentence, this is the second part of the sentence, and this is the so that, all together in one go. He studied hard, this is the action. He studied hard, this is the action, so that as a result what happened, he could pass the exam. So this is a result. Getting my point? So that is also used for the result. Result are purpose. Right? Next. She spoke loudly so that everyone could hear her voice. Everyone could hear her. Everyone could hear her. Means everyone could hear her voice. So she spoke very loudly. This is the action. This is the action. As a result, what happened? So that everyone could hear her. Means her voice. This is the result. Right? Next one. Such that. Such that. Right? See, after such, either we can use directly a noun followed by a article, or else adjective plus noun. Article is anyhow there in both the situations. So such is an adjective. Such is an adjective which describes a noun. So after such, we can say after such we will get noun phrase. Noun or noun phrase. After such we get noun or noun phrase. See, such, after such adjective and noun plus that, result are consequences. We'll see. It was such a beautiful day that we went for a hike. Hike means trekking and all, or long walking in the countryside and all, we can say. See, it was such a beautiful day that we went for a hike. See, such a beautiful day. Day is a noun. Which day? Beautiful day. It is an adjective. So, beautiful day should be followed by a, because day is a singular noun, right? So, it was a beautiful day such that it was such a beautiful day that we went for hike. So, this is a result. Again, result are consequences. This is simply, this is a results, not consequences. If you have done something as a consequences, you need to face some issues or something like that, we'll say. Right? Next one. She gave such an impressive performance that everyone applauded. Applauded means like a phrase. So, such that. Performance is a noun. Which performance? Impressive performance. This is an adjective. So, impressive. It is a vowel sound. Impressive. So, that is the reason we are using an impressive performance. As a result, what happened? Everyone applauded. Alright. So, this is a result. Next one. They made such a mess that it took hours to clean up. See, mess means full of dust or confusing and all, right? See, such that. See, after such, I told you either directly we can get noun or adjective. After that, noun. But only adjective we don't get. Only adjective we don't get. Without noun, only adjective we don't get. Okay. After such, we can directly get noun or adjective plus noun. See, they made such a mess that it took hours to clean up. Such a mess. Mess is a noun. It is followed by article A. That as a result, what happened? It took hours to clean up. Or as a consequences, what happened? It took hours to clean up. He was in such a hurry that he forgot his wallet. Forgot his wallet. Such that. Hurry is a noun. Is an article. Is an article. As a result, what happened? He forgot his wallet. Wallet is forgot his wallet is a result. Or we can say consequences also. He was in such a hurry. He was in such a hurry. So as a consequence, what happened? He forgot his wallet. What is the main difference between so that and such that? You'll see. So that and such that. See, actually such is an adjective. So either it takes noun directly or an adjective and noun. So is an adverb. So is an adverb. Actually, adverb describes what? Either adjective or adverb. See, when such is used, we don't use, when so is used, we don't use a or an article. But when such is used, we use article a or an. This is a main difference. And we can say such that is followed by noun phrase. Noun phrase or noun. But so that is followed by either adjective, adverb or adjective. Adverb or adjective. Yeah. This is a major difference between such that and so that, right? Next, only so. Only so is used for used in three times, means three terms. See, so is used as a result or the consequences, or to replace with thus or therefore, or to emphasize something. To emphasize something. So good. The movie was so good. Means I am emphasizing that. So good. How much good? So good. Alright. So we'll see. To introduce a result or consequences. To introduce a result or consequences. Or to replace the words like therefore or thus. Thus or therefore. To add emphasis. Often when making a statement. When we are making a statement, the movie was so good. How much? So good. How much good? How it was? So good. Right? So, to emphasize also, we use so. We'll see examples. I missed the bus. So, what happened? So, I had to walk to work. As the consequences or as a result, what happened? I had to walk to work. Right? So, here, so it is indicating the result. Right? Next one. It started raining. So, it started raining. Therefore, we cancelled the meeting. It started raining. So, we cancelled the big picnic. Okay. So, we can write either here, therefore also, right? Or thus also, right? So, to replace these words, we are using simply so. It started raining, so we cancelled the picnic. or thus we cancel the picnic, but for replacing the thus or therefore we are using simply so as a result or as a consequences, right? That movie was so good. How much good? So good. So here I am emphasizing. What I am emphasizing? So good, so good. So here I am emphasizing. Emphasize, right? Okay friends, that's all for the day. If you really like our content, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please let me know whether this kind of videos are useful for you or not. Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.